Hey, what's up, FCC Youth? I hope that you have had a good week. I know that some of you are out of town, so if you are vacationing or quarantining or doing whatever, I hope that you have been able to find God in whatever you do in the world around you. This week, we are going to be introducing a new topic. We finished up in Mark a couple of weeks ago, and so now we are going to start something new. We are going to be in Galatians, chapter 5, verse 22. All right, and if you're familiar with that, you'll know right away that this is the passage that tells us what the fruit of the Spirit is. I'm going to go ahead and read it really quickly. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things there is no law. So for the next few weeks, we're going to be talking about these fruits of the Spirit and what they mean in our lives. How do we practice joy and peace and patience and goodness and kindness and faithfulness, gentleness and self-control? What do all those things mean for us today? And we're going to be doing that in, I think, a unique way. So this is what I need from y'all. I need recipes. What are your favorite things to eat? You know, I've really been missing getting together on Wednesday nights and eating meals together. I've been missing just doing communion together on Sunday mornings. And I think that food has always been one of those things that the church has revolved around. Jesus' ministry revolved around food. And so I want to find a way to kind of make that up in the times of COVID-19. And the way I think to do that is this. I want y'all to find your favorite recipes. What are those things that you love to eat? Send those to me. And then I want to find times for us in smaller groups of maybe 3 or 4 to get together in the church kitchen, masks on, and for an hour or so, cook a meal together. And during those times, we'll talk about what it means to have these fruits of the Spirit. And, you know, I think a lot of the times we're handed the Bible and we're told it's kind of like a recipe. Here's all your ingredients, and then here's how you're supposed to do it, and this is the final result. And I think that's a really hard way to read the Bible. Because if we read the Bible like a recipe, there's going to be a lot of trying to fill in the blanks and figuring stuff out, right? It's not always crystal clear. I think maybe sometimes we think it's a whole lot like the Pillsbury dough cinnamon rolls in the can. You unwrap the can, they pop out, you put them on the baking sheet, and there's clear instructions. Set the oven to 350 degrees. Leave them in for 18 to 22 minutes. I may or may not eat a lot of those cinnamon rolls. They're delicious. Anyways, sometimes we think the Bible is like that, giving us very clear instructions, but I think it's a whole lot more vague, and for a lot of us, that can be intimidating. And I think part of the Christian life is figuring this out together. How do we live into the Christian life? And I think the fruits of the Spirit are a really great way to step into that and to lean into thinking about how we are going to live as Christians today. And while the Bible isn't going to be this perfect recipe, I think that it will be something that can help us fill in the blanks and figure out how we live life together. So that is what is going to take us through the next few weeks. I hope that y'all can find some time to come up to the church. I will put a sign-up sheet out there. I'll post this video onto our Facebook page as well so that we can all kind of get on board and see what's going on. I hope to see y'all at the church. I hope to see you on Sundays virtually. Maybe not virtually. There's also going to be early Sunday morning services outside by the Labyrinth. So if you're an early riser, I don't know that many of you are. I myself am not, but I'm going to strive to make it happen on Sunday mornings. Sunday mornings, 7:30, outdoor worship service. We can all be there. We're going to social distance, wear masks, but we'll be outside and we'll be together during that time. So if you can make that, I would love to see you there. Other than that, be on the lookout for announcements on our Facebook page, and I'll be checking in with all of you during the next week. I hope that you have a great week. I look forward to getting into this study, into seeing what all of your favorite foods are, trying out different kinds of recipes, and thinking about the Christian life as we do that together. All right, y'all, have a great week. Be blessed. and make sure to find God in something every day. Love you all.